Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to view your Amazon billing statement for 2025. With Amazon's updates, managing your finances has never been more straightforward, and this quick guide will help you stay on top of your spending. Whether you're tracking holiday purchases or just double-checking charges, let's get started. First, ensure you're logged into your Amazon account. Open your web browser or the Amazon app, and enter your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication, go ahead and verify that too. It's all about security. Once you're in, look for the Accounts and Lists drop-down menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to expand your options. This is your gateway to all your account details. From there, select Your Account. You'll land on a dashboard with various sections. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Your Payments or Billing. Amazon might label it slightly differently based on your region or the latest updates for 2025. Now, click on Billing Address or Payment Methods. Look for the Transaction History or Billing Statements link. Here, you can select the specific month or year, like those from 2025, to view detailed breakdowns of your purchases, including dates, amounts, and even taxes. If you need a copy, hit the download button, usually available as a PDF. It's that simple. Pro tip: if you're using the mobile app, the steps are similar. Just navigate to the menu icon and find the Account section. And there you have it, your Amazon billing statement at your fingertips. This not only helps with budgeting but also ensures you're aware of any unexpected charges. If you run into issues, Amazon's Help Center is just a click away. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.